Good morning, student. It's me, Atul Verma, Bahu Banarsi Dars University, Lucknow, School of Computer Application. Now, today we are going to discuss about mathematical model and decision making under risk.
Atul Verma, it's me again. My subject is Management Information System. I'm now going to discuss mathematical model, type structure and advantages. Decision making under certainty. Decision making under risk. Mathematical optimization and group decision making. Mathematical model, type structure and advantage in the regarding of decision making. Types of mathematical model. Model may be classified as iconic. First one is iconic sales model. And what is the iconic? An iconic model is a physical replica of a system, usually based on a different scale than the original. These may appear in three dimensions, such as airplane, car, or bridges model to scale. Photography are another type of iconic model, but in only two dimensions. Second one is analog model. An analog model does not look like the real system but behaves like it. These are usually two dimensional charts or diagrams. Organization charts showing structure, authority, and responsibility relationships. Along model are more abstract than iconic ones. Third one is mathematical model. The complexity of relationship in some system cannot be represented physically, or the physical representation may be cumbersome and take time to construct. Therefore, a more abstract model is used with the aid of symbols. Most management science analysis is executed with the aid of mathematical models which utilize mathematical symbol. These are general rather than specific and can describe diverse situations. Therefore, they can be manipulated easily for purpose of experimentation and prediction. When the concept of model is extended to the area of mathematics, it is usually to know in a quantitative sense how important or how pertinent the variable are in the model with regard to their impact on the solutions. The mathematical model depicts explicit relationship and interrelationship among the variable and other factors deemed important in solving problem. The structure of mathematical model. Mathematical model are typically in the form of equation or other mathematical statements. For example, the relationship cost, revenue and profit can be expressed as P equals to R minus C. equation 1, where P symbolizes profit, R symbolizes revenue, and C symbolizes cost. The component of a system, when described by a mathematical model, are expressed in terms of variables. In general, a distinction is made between independent and dependent variable. Characteristic of mathematical model: to be used successfully in a typical management science project, a mathematical model must meet the following criteria. First one is, the model should be as simple and understandable as possible. The model should be reasonable. The model should be easy to maintain and control. The model should be adaptive. The parameter and structure of the model should be easy to change as new insight and information evolves. And fifth point is, the model should be complete on important issues. For example, all important variables and factors should have been taken into consideration. Advantage of mathematical models. First advantage, use of model avoid constructing costly plant and warehouses in location that do not best meet the present and future needs of the customer. Second point, a model indicate gaps that are not immediately apparent and after testing. The character of the failure might give a clue to the model deficiency. Third point, model have the advantage of time since results can be obtained within a relatively short time. Fourth point, because of the constant squeeze of on profit, the cost and time saved the MS model allow make them decision making tools of great value to the managers. Here is some disadvantage of also mathematical model. Let's describe and understand it. First point, a model that oversimplify may inaccurately reflect the real world situations. Okay. Second point, if the person who builds a model does not know what he is doing, output from the model will be incorrect. And the third point, model can sometimes prove too expensive to originate them and their cost is compared to the expected return from their use. Decision making under certainty. A condition of certainty exists when the decision maker know with reasonable certainty what the alternatives are, what are conditions are associated with each alternative, and the outcome of each alternative under condition of certainty, accurate, measurable, and reliable information on which the base decision is available. The cause and effect relationship are known and the future is highly predictable under condition of certainty. Such condition exist in case of routine and repetitive decision concern the day-to-day operation of the business. Decision making under risk. When a manager lacks perfect information or whenever an information asymmetric exists, risks arises. Under a state of risk, the decision maker have incomplete information about available alternatives but has a good idea of the probability of outcomes for each alternative. While making decision under a state of risk, managers must determine the probability associated with each alternative on the basis of the available information and his experience. Decision making under uncertainty. Most significant decisions made in today's complex environment are formulated under a state of uncertainty. Condition of uncertainty exist when the future environment is unpredictable and everything is in a state of flux. The decision maker is not aware of all available alternatives, the risks associated with each and the consequence of each alternative or their probabilities. The manager does not possess complete information about the alternative, and whatever information is available may not be completely reliable. In the face of such uncertainty, managers need to make certain assumptions about the situation in order to provide a reasonable framework for decision making. They have to depend upon their judgment and experience for making decisions. Modern approach to decision making under uncertainty. There are several modern techniques to improve the quality of decision making under condition of uncertainty. The most important among these are risk analysis, decision tree, and preference theory. Risk analysis. What is risk analysis? Let we understand. Manager who follow this approach analyze the size and nature of the risk involved in choosing a particular course of action. For instance, while launching a new product, a manager has to carefully analyze each of the following variables: the cost of launching the product, its production cost, the capital investment required, the price that can be set for the product, the potential market size, and what percent of the total market it will be represent. Third point, risk analysis involves quantitative and qualitative risk assessment, risk management and risk communication, and provide managers with a better understanding of the risk and the benefit associated with the proposed course of action. The decision represents a trade off between the risk and the benefit associated with the particular course of action under condition of uncertainty. Decision tree. These are considered to be one of the best way to analyze decision. A decision tree approach involves as a graphic representation of alternative course of action and the possible outcome and risk associated with each action. The means of tree diagram depreciating that decision point, which event and probability involved in various course of action. This technique of decision making allow the decision makers to trace the optimum path of course of action. Here is the decision tree analysis definition. The decision tree analysis is a semantic presentation of several decisions followed by different chances of occurrence. Simple a tree shaped graphical representation of decisions related to the investments and the chance point that help to investigate the possible outcome is called as a decision tree. The decision tree show decision point represented by square or the alternative action along with the investment outlay that can be undertaken for the experimentation. These decisions are followed by the chance point, where the outcomes are dependent on the chance process. Thus, the probability of occurrence is assigned to the each chance point. Here is the example of group decision making. Definition: the group decision making is the collective active wherein several persons interact simultaneously to find out the solution to a given statement of a problem. In other words, group decision making is a participatory process wherein multiple individuals work together to analyze the problem and find out the optimum solution out of the available set of alternatives. In group decision making, the number of participants often range from 2 to 7. It is not necessary that all the group members agree with each other, and hence most of time the decision is taken on the basis of majority if no other mode of a majority is prescribed. The majority means the number of votes in favor or against the proposed alternative. There are several techniques that can be used to increase the efficiency of group decision making. These are follow: nominal group technique, Delphi technique, brainstorming, dialectic decision method. The concept of group decision making is based on the proof that two heads are better than one's. This means when the decisions are taken jointly, the expertise or experience of each member could be capitalized to reach to an optimum solution. Thus, the synergy get created when the decisions are made in a group as more idea and opinions pop up during the decision session. But however, the group decision making can be time consuming and often lead the conflict between the group members. Also, no single member is held accountable in case of a failure of such decision, since it is the whole group that agrees with that decision. Investment decision. Definition: what is investment decision? The investment decision relate to the decision made by the investors for or the top level management with respect to the amount of funds to be deployed in the investment opportunities. Simply, selecting the type of assist in which the funds will be invested by the firm is termed as the investment decision. These assets fall into two categories: long term assist, short term assist. Here is a graph to understand it. Investment decision. The decision of an investment fund in the long term assets is known as capital budgeting. Okay. Thus, capital budgeting is the process of selecting the asset or an investment proposal that will yield return over a long period. First step involved in a capital budgeting is to select the asset, whether existing or new, on the basis of benefits that will be derived from it in the future. The next step is to analyze the proposal, uncertainty, and risk involved in it. Since the benefits are to be occurred in the future, the uncertainty is high with respect to its return. Finally, the minimum rate of return is to be set against which the performance of the long term project can be evaluated. The investment made in the current asset or short term asset is termed as working capital management. The working capital management deals with the management of a current asset that are highly liquid in nature. The investment decision in short term assets is crucial for an organization as the short term survival is necessary for the long term success. Through working capital management, a firm tries to maintain a trade off between the profitability and the liquidity. In case a firm has a adequate working capital, for example, less fund investment in the short term assets, the, the firm may not be able to pay off its current liabilities and may result in bankruptcy. Or in case the firm has more current assets than required, it can have an adverse effect on the profitability of the firm. Thus, a firm must have an optimum working capital that is necessary for the smooth functioning of its day to day operations. Delphi technique. The Delphi technique is referred to semantic forecasting method used to gather opinions of the panel of experts on the problem being encountered through the questionnaires, often sent through mail. In other words, a set of opinions pertaining to a specific problem obtained in virtual writing usually through questionnaires from several experts in the specific field is called as Delphi technique. In the Delphi technique, the group facilitator or the change agent aggregate all the anonymous opinion received through the questionnaires sent two or three times to the same set of expertise. The experts are required to give justification for the answer given in the first questionnaires, and on the basis of it, the revised questionnaire is prepared and is given set to the same group of expertise. The expert can modify their answer in according with the replies given by other panel member. The objective of a Delphi technique is to reach to the most accurate answer by decreasing the number of solutions with time the questionnaire is sent to the group of experts. The experts are required to give their opinion every time the questionnaire is received, and it processed continuously until the issued are narrowed response or focused at the conscience in reached. In a Delphi technique, the identification of the group member is not revealed, and they are not even required to gather for a physical meeting. Same as a Monte Carlo analysis, use the empiric data of the real system, input and output. It then identify potential and probability, all the aspect in Delphi technique. The advantage of Delphi technique based simulation is that it provides awareness and the through understanding of potential threats to your bottom line and time to market. You can implement Delphi technique to practically any industry or field, including manufacturing and supply chain management and any other industry. The system environment is simple term, just think of the impact a new laser cutter or some other factory equipment has on your overall manufacturing line. The agent in agent based model could be people, equipment, and particularly anything else. The simulation includes the agent's behavior which serve as rule of how those agents must act in the system. You then look at how the system responds to those rules. However, you must draw your rules from real world data, otherwise, you will not generate accurate insight. In a way, it serves as a means to examine in a proposed changes and identify potential risks and opportunities. This technique is quite advantageous is diverse opinions can be gathered from the large pool of experts who might be geographically separated of each group. Also, the quality of decision get improved as the experts of each group member is capitalized to search to final solutions. Okay, thank you.